Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel WordSprout. Today we'll take a peek into Tom's diary. He had a wonderful evening. What made it special? Let's find out together.
August 3rd, 2024. Rainy and chilly. Hi diary. Today turned out to be a really great day. After work, I had plans to meet up with my best friend Henry. He had made a reservation at a new Italian restaurant that just opened recently. I've heard so many good things about it, so I was really looking forward to it. The reason for our dinner? To celebrate my recent promotion. Henry has always been a great friend, and he wanted to treat me to something special. When we arrived at the restaurant, I could see why it was so popular. The atmosphere was cozy, and the smell of delicious food filled the air. We decided to try two of the restaurant's most popular dishes, spaghetti carbonara and margherita pizza. Both were absolutely amazing. We paired the meal with a glass of red wine, which was the perfect complement to the rich flavors. The food was so good that I honestly felt like my eyes were going to pop out from surprise and delight. Henry and I couldn't stop talking about how great everything tasted. But more than the food, it was just nice to spend time with Henry and celebrate this milestone together. It reminded me of how lucky I am to have such supportive friends. Now that I'm home, I can't help but smile. Today was just what I needed. I think I'll go to bed with a big smile on my face. Good night, diary. I'm sure I'll fall asleep smiling tonight. See you tomorrow.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.